Hello everyone and welcome to the Adventures of the Endless Ones in the Philippines. So right now, my parents is here. They give me a ride for tonight, and together with my Aunt TC and Shannon and Aunt TC's husband and Christine. Hello! So yeah, Shannon is in my channel right now. Yeah. So they visited me and they're going back to Cebu tomorrow, right? Ate, huwag mo balik. Huwag mo balik sa Cebu. And it's Kuya Edwin's first time here in my apartment, in our apartment. Si Christine is watching TV. Seryoso na siya kayo. And others are coming. Muna siya, ang gwapo nga si Hapon. Daghana mo ning tao diri gyapon. Yeah, that's my silent type brother, Hapon. And they're eating this fruit salad that we prepared. So it's family time this time. And Shannon and Christine is going to sleep here tonight. Yay! 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 Nakita ang buna ni Christine. And that's my Uncle Junjun, which is really younger than me. Yeah, he just arrived from Cebu last Friday. Saturday morning. Mga gwapo akong mga kaliwat. Gwapo, gwapa. Yeah. So after the long day we have earlier, after our anniversary, so we're here spending time together because it's hard to really happen, not every time, but at least now. Diba pa? Always eating. Tagsaragali ni mukha ko si Papa. Always eating. Yeah, my father likes fruit salad. That's why he has a lot of fruit salad in the plate. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There they are. They're having a bedtime party. That's how they do it. They're having that karate type of bedtime party. Yeah, it's been a long time that we haven't got this time, like cousins party. Cousins quality time. Kana sa to last time nga ni Ari ka siya nun?
Ni Ani Santero. Wala pa na po si May.
Oh yeah, I guess September, right? September, October. Yeah, September. Yeah, it's been a long time that Shannon went here to spend time with us. And really, my cousins are singers, including Shannon. Yay! Shannon can sing. Pagkamaayo masas! No, we're just teasing Shannon, but she knows how to sing. She can sing. And we're teasing her. Oh no. Alam mo, tugnaw karon mga gwapa na mo.
Kato si Giselle, katong likobos ni mama niya, sila doon yung buta. Tuwas pa nga. Yeah. They're
remembering the times that they were still little kids and they have that funny moment. Yeah. So it's really a rare time that we got to spend time together as girl cousins. So mo ni among banding time nilo okay. Mga bangga mo mga inday. Mabangga mo. So Christine is actually living in Cebu City.
Yes.
Yeah, and she's working. You're working, right? Christine, you're working?
No. You?
Sa makuan na. Imong eyeglasses. Oh no. Oh, they're having pillow war.
Partners.
Oh, don't ruin our pillows. Oh no. Dwayne will get mad at you.
Requested backup. Backup has arrived.
Oh yeah. So Shannon, how do you find being with your cousins?
It's very, very fun.
Yeah.
And I really like it, but I can't do it so often.
Yeah, every day.
I wish.
Yeah.
I wish. Dapat ka ba? Mahal na laway. Asa to Christy? Ano yun?
Ano man?
Agi!
Don't worry, they're clean, okay? Yeah, because the pastor were here sleeping last night. But that's fine, they're clean. And all the bed sheets are clean, so no worries. How do you find our apartment?
It's very nice.
Oh yeah, thank
it's
you.
It feels like home.
It feels like home. Oh, yeah. This is my English-speaking cousin. My very well English-speaking cousin. We're just connected. We're just in the same sky. And this is my English-speaking sister too. And we're going to prepare for our dinner. But we still have leftovers earlier during anniversary. So yeah, we're going to eat dinner together tonight. And the rice is early this morning is already panos spoiled. So we're going to make another or new rice for tonight.
Another rice.
Yeah. Not made, but cooked. And I'm going to actually congratulate my sister for a good job earlier leading the praise and worship or the songs during our anniversary. I really experienced how God works in mysterious ways. That's the statement of Ate Marife. Yeah, how God really works. So yeah, it's just overwhelming how God works during the anniversary we had earlier. From the songs to the presentation until the sermon part, right? Yeah. And my sister is not only leading songs, but also one of the youth who leads the teens when it comes to dancing presentations. And Shannon is also a dancer. See? She's a dancer.